allowed to enter that main gate twice in your entire time here at Harvard. The first time is when you move in as a first year. You will drive into Harvard Yard and move into your dorm. The second time is after you graduate as a senior, you will exit Harvard Yard with your class. Now, if you enter more than those 2 times, you will fail out of Harvard and be cursed with terrible luck, which is why you will often see people going through the side gate as opposed to the main one, although it is closed right now. So